Today I am exploring a different type of rice. I'm gonna combine my rice with some lentils. I have green lentils, carrots, onion, and I'm going to cook rice in lentils. Rice with lentils. So continue to watch the video if you want to see how I prepare this meal. There's the carrots. Chop a small onion or a quarter of a large onion. So measure 3/4 cups of lentils, rinse them and drain the water. Saute onions. Add carrot. Lentils, bell peppers, season with garlic powder and onion powder. So a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 3 cups of rice, washed and drained. I'm gonna mix everything so all the flavors, all the rice grains get the flavor incorporated. cups of rice, so I'm going to do 3 cups of broth. Let's measure from Walmart or vegetable broth or any store brand, any brand of vegetable broth or chicken broth. Just going to measure to see how much of this I'm going to use. I'm going to do 2 cups of broth and 2 cups of water. 1 cup of water to that. Yes, and see what it looks like. So that's 3 cups of water to 3 cups of rice. And we'll just let that slow cook. And then if we need to add more water, we can add more water later on. So you can taste it at this moment to see if it's salty, because our chicken broth, our vegetable broth has salt in it. So you don't necessarily need to add any more salt. It can be, it could be according to your liking. Okay, so I decided to do 4 cups of. So it's 3 cups of broth and 1 cup of water. And there's 3 cups of rice. Evaporate, you can see the rice. And you just cover it.